felt like you're searching for a needle in a digital haystack, just completely buried in information? Well, if that's you, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to turn you from a frustrated searcher into a total expert, giving you the skills to find exactly what you need, and fast.
It's a feeling we all know, right? You've got this one specific question, and you just know the answer is hiding somewhere in this huge digital library. But the good news is, there's a much, much smarter way to search. So let's talk about the heart of the problem. It's something we all run into: information overload. It's not that the answers aren't there, it's that there's just so much stuff that finding that one right piece feels, well, impossible. Yeah, that vague feeling of, I know it's in here somewhere, that is a huge time waster. So let's get rid of somewhere and replace it with right here. We're going to give you the tools to take complete control. It all starts by changing how you see that little search box. I want you to stop thinking of it as just a box and start thinking of it as your own personal search command center. See, the real power of the Help Center search is just how much ground it covers. It's not just looking in one place, it's scanning everything, from the super technical guides to the latest release updates, FAQs, all of it. It's basically one single gateway to all the information you could possibly need. And that, right there, is the key mindset shift. Your command center, that should be your first stop for every single question. It's your most powerful tool for finding a solution. Period. So, how do we actually use this incredible power? Well, that's where we unlock precision search. This is where we get tactical and learn the real tricks. Okay, this sounds almost too simple, but it is the absolute foundation of a good search. Instead of typing out a long, complicated question, just focus on the most important words. Think of it like a funnel. You're just boiling down all your thoughts into the core concepts. Now, here's your first real power-up. If you search for sourcing project, you'll get results with those words anywhere in any order. But if you wrap it in quotation marks, you're telling the system find this exact phrase in this exact order. Honestly, this is a total game changer for finding specific guide names or error messages. And you can get even more detailed. Let's say you're looking for reporting tool. A partial match is awesome if you maybe only remember part of a term. A full match makes sure that both reporting and tool are in the results. The whole point is you have complete command over the logic of your search. All right, you've run a super precise search, and now you have a list of results. The next big step to saving time is knowing what you're even looking at. So let's decode the different types of content you'll see. Think of this table as your secret decoder ring for search results. Are you looking for a quick fix? An FAQ is probably your best bet. Are you dealing with a known issue? Go straight to the support notes. If you need to really understand a concept, you're looking for an article. And hey, for a visual guide, a tutorial is perfect. Just knowing this saves you from clicking on 10 different things that aren't what you need. And here's the thing. That results page isn't just a static list. No. It's an interactive workspace that lets you dial in your search even more. This right here is your toolkit for cutting through all the noise. You can immediately filter by the content type we just talked about. You can sort by date to make sure you have the latest info. You can even use tags to jump over to related topics without even starting a new search. So, we have our search tools and we have our filters. Theory is great and all, but let's actually see how this comes together in the real world. It's time to go from just searching to finding a solution. So, meet Monique. She needs to get up to speed on prepackaged reports. Now she has two choices. She could spend the next half hour just clicking around, hoping for the best, or she can use her command center. Let's see which path she takes. So Monique starts simple. She just searches for her keywords, but instead of getting overwhelmed, she immediately goes to the filters, chooses documentation because she wants an official guide. Then she spots a tag that looks really relevant, gives it a click, and boom, the exact guide she needs is right there at the top. And that's the difference right there. What could have been a 20-minute super frustrating hunt is now a focused 4-step process that takes less than a minute. That is the difference between just searching and searching smart. So, the most important point is this. The Help Center is an active tool, not some passive library you just wander through. With these techniques we've covered, from precision keywords to smart filtering, you are in complete control of your search. You now literally have the keys to the entire knowledge base. So the only question left is, What are you going to unlock first?
You know that feeling